we say it's virtual, it means you draw the pastures in a mobile application, and then instead of the animals, when they graze, instead of them meeting a physical boundary, they are faced with an audio cue and potentially an electric cue that will tell them that they're crossing the boundary. The farmers save time from doing less mending and moving of fences, which is a big input factor in how they manage their animals. But beyond this, you also get better utilization of your land, meaning less spend on forage and supplement feed.
Current result doesn't show any difference from traditional electric fences, looking into the behavior of animals and also looking into the stress levels of the animal, the cortisol level, that is a stress hormone. I think it's very important for the future to have a really clear definition what type of function should the virtual fence include to have a high level of animal welfare, because it should be easy for the animal to do the right behavior, and if the system is built in certain ways, it could be bad for the animals, really. They need to have time to turn around on the audio cue, for example.